Have you ever wondered why your grocery bills seem to be climbing higher each week? Or why the dream house you've been eyeing now seems frustratingly out of reach? Well, it's not just you, it's the economy, and it's going through a bit of a rough patch. So let's dive into the world of recession, inflation, and the housing market and try to make sense of it all. Recession. It's a term that sends a shiver down many a spine, but what does it actually mean? Picture this. You're on a roller coaster, enjoying the ride up, but then suddenly you're plummeting down. That's pretty much how a recession feels. It's when the economy, after a period of growth, suddenly contracts for 2 consecutive quarters. It's like a big, chilling pause button on economic activity, with businesses slowing down, unemployment rising, and consumer spending taking a hit. Next up, inflation. Imagine you've been saving up for a brand new bike, only to find that when you have the money, the price has gone up. That's inflation in action. It's the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising, and subsequently, purchasing power is falling. In short, you're paying more for the same stuff. And then, there's the housing market. Think of it as a giant supermarket, but instead of groceries, it's filled with homes for sale or rent. The prices of these homes are influenced by a variety of factors, including interest rates, economic growth, and even the simple rule of supply and demand. When more people want houses than there are houses available, prices go up. So, what's happening now? There's talk of a potential recession, inflation is high, and the housing market is readjusting after a strong year. It's a bit like being in the middle of a storm, but remember, every storm passes and the economy is resilient. To summarize, a recession is when the economy shrinks for 2 consecutive quarters. Inflation is when the prices of goods and services increase, and the housing market is influenced by factors such as interest rates and economic growth. The current state of the economy may be challenging, but it's not all doom and gloom. Remember, after every night, there's a new dawn. And just like that, after every economic downturn, there's a period of recovery and growth. Stay informed, stay prepared, and remember the economy is a cycle and this too shall pass.